Children, in this video we are going to learn about trihydric alcohol. What is meant by trihydric alcohol? Tri means three. Trihydric alcohol means having three OH group. So the best example is CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This is name is glycerol or first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. Three carbons having OH group. So prop single bond ANE 1, 2, 3 triol. Propane 1, 2, 3 triol. This is trihydric alcohol. Now we are going to see the preparation. There is only one preparation. There is only one preparation. Ester compound. Ester means having COOR group. CH2 14 times CH3. Similarly CH2 O, C double bond O, CH2 14 times CH3. This is a keto compound, ester compound. CH2O, CO, CH2 14 times CH3. Similarly CH ester compound, COOR ester compound. This compound is called as glyceryl palmitate. A triglyceride. Now treated with 3 molecules of NaOH on heating. See this 3 molecule of Na, 3 molecule of OH having. The bond breaks here and CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH, 3 molecules no. So CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH, glycerol plus remaining 3 molecules of NaOCO, CH2 14 times CH3. This name is called as sodium palmitate. That is formula for soap. This is the formula for soap. So this reaction is also called as saponification reaction. This reaction is called as saponification reaction. Only one preparation, glyceryl palmitate with 3 molecules of NaOH giving glycerol plus sodium palmitate. A few properties. First one, nitration. Nitration means treated with corn nitric acid and corn sulfuric acid. So glycerol, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH treated with 3 molecules of nitric acid HNO3 in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Instead of this hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, NO2 group is replaced there. So CH2O NO2, CHO NO2, CH2O NO2. The compound name is called as trinitroglycerine. TNG, trinitroglycerin or trinitrate, one of the explosive. Now next property, dehydration. Dehydration, removal of water molecule. Glycerol, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. When treated with potassium hydrogen sulfate or concentrated sulfuric acid, 2 water molecule removed from here, that is OH from here, H from here, and OH from here and H from here removed. So the product is CH2 double bond CH single bond CHO. This is called as acrolein. Acrolein. Then the third one, oxidation reaction. Okay. Glycerol, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This glycerol contains 2 primary alcoholic groups. Primary means already I taught, carbon with a functional group attached to 1 more carbon atoms. Similarly, this carbon with the functional group attached to 1 more carbon atom. This is secondary alcohol because carbon with a functional group attached to 2 more carbon atoms. So glycerol contains 2 primary alcoholic groups and 1 secondary alcoholic group. Now various oxidizing reagents are used, maybe dilute nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid, bismuth nitrate, bromine water, or sodium hypobromite, or Fenton's reagent, or potassium permanganate, or hydriodic acid, or lead tetraacetate. So many oxidizing agents are used. So generally primary alcoholic group converted to a aldehyde group, then to an acid group. Secondary alcoholic group, that is primary alcoholic group, generally converted to aldehyde group, then to acid group. This is the steps followed. But secondary alcoholic group, CHOH, converted to a keto group, CO group, then converted to acid. This is the natural process taken place. So here this is the 2 primary alcoholic group. First, this primary alcoholic group we can take. This on oxidation. We are getting CHO, remaining acid is CHOH, CH2OH. Then this aldehyde group converted to acid group, COOH, CHOH, CH2OH. Then this on oxidation once more. This primary alcoholic group converted to an aldehyde group, then to the acid group, that is COOH, CHOH, COOH. This is glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde. This is glyceric acid. This is tartronic acid. Tartronic acid. This is one step. And another step, the secondary alcoholic group converted to a keto group, then remaining acid is, then prolonged oxidation, COOH. This is converted to an aldehyde, then acid. This acid is, this also aldehyde and acid. This is called as mesoxalic acid. Then this on oxidation giving a dicarboxylic acid called oxalic acid. This also one step. Otherwise, this giving this and this can be followed. So now I'll tell the various oxidizing agents. For converting glyceric acid and tartronic acid, dilute nitric acid is used. For converting glyceric acid, concentrated nitric acid is used. For converting mesoxalic acid, bismuth nitrate is used. For converting not even that bismuth nitrate, bromine water, sodium hypobromite, and Fenton's reagent. Fenton's reagent is a mixture of ferrous sulfate FeSO4 plus H2O2. This is called Fenton's reagent. These are all used. Then for oxalic acid conversion, potassium permanganate is used. Then for converting formaldehyde formic acid, hydriodic acid, lead tetraacetate, they are used. So now this is glyceraldehyde. This is called as dihydroxy acetone. The mixture of glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone, they are called as glycerose. What is glycerose? Mixture of glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone. From glycerol we are getting this mixture. Fenton's reagent, FeSO4, H2O2. These are often asking questions. Now some of the uses. Glycerol is used as a sweetening agent. It is used as a sweetening agent. Next, in the confectionery, in the beverages, cosmetics, transparent soap, transparent soap, printing ink, stamp pad ink, lubricant, explosive, dynamite, so and so many uses. So only one preparation, 3 chemical reactions. These for trihydric alcohol, you go through each and every line is very important, and you can prepare well.